Welcome to Code Fix, where you learn and enhance your programming experience. In this video we have shared how to convert string representation of list to a list. To convert a string representation of a list to a list in Python, you can use the eval function or the ast.literal_eval function. Here's an example of how you can do it using both methods. Method 1, using eval. Now let me run this example code. Here is the output you will get. Method 2, using ast.literal_eval. Now let me run this example code. Here is the output you will get. Both eval and ast.literal_eval can be used to convert a string representation of a list to an actual list in Python. However, it's important to note that using eval can be risky, as it may execute arbitrary code and can be a security risk if the input string comes from an untrusted source. Therefore, it's recommended to use ast.literal_eval, as it is safer, as it only evaluates a limited subset of Python literals. Hopefully this video helps you to sort out the issue you were facing. If you still face problem or need further help, just write in comments. I will reply you as soon as possible. Before you go, if you like this video, you can subscribe for this channel for future videos which can help and assist you further.